How lonely sits the city that was full of people. For these things I weep, my eyes flow with tears. The Lord has become like an enemy. He has swallowed up Israel. Judah has gone into exile because of affliction and hard servitude. How the gold has grown dim, how the pure gold is changed. But this I call to mind, and therefore I have hope. The steadfast love of the Lord never ceases. Restore us to yourself, O Lord, that we may be restored. The Lord will restore the fortunes of his people, and they shall be as though they had never been forsaken. The steadfast love of the Lord never ceases, and his mercies never come to an end. Though we have suffered, God's faithfulness endures, and his mercies are new every morning. Share our campaign with your network. Engage with our content on YouTube and social media. Back us at any level to bring this vision to life. Join our mailing list for exclusive updates and early access. By being partakers, you're not just supporting a business, you're investing in a movement that will empower small businesses with AI-driven tools, strengthen charities with smarter fundraising strategies, create a sustainable economic ecosystem for faith communities and beyond. Be part of something revolutionary. Join the Partakers movement today.